Hi everyone and welcome to Couture TV with Stephanie. It is episode 34 and it's all about birthdays. Now, I have a question. Why buy a birthday card when you can make one and it's one of a kind? Let me show you how easy it is to do that. Let's go. So today I'm making a birthday card. I'm using Blood Red, Blue Moon, Verdigris and Raincoat cardstock. Now, all I need is a slither of each of these cardstocks to make this gorgeous card. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to bring my guillotine over, my large one that fits a 12 by 12. And all I'm going to do is cut them all at the same time. It saves me time and it's more precise that I'm going to get them all the same size. So to do that, I'm just going to push the cardstock all the way to the edge to make sure they're all even. And then I'm just going to hold it down here and then cut them all the way down. And that's it. Let's move that aside. So I'm going to turn these into balloons. So what you're going to want to do is get one color at a time. And we're just going to curl it in a little, to a little circle like that. So I'm going to add a little bit of my tacky clear glue right on the edge, not too much, just a little like that. And all I'm going to do is turn it in and make a circle. And I'm just going to let it dry and I'm going to hold it down with a handy clip. Now these handy clips are also known as alligator clips because they look like little alligators, and they're just a handy way of holding things together and helping me work while I do my balloons. Now I'm going to curl it around and put a little bit of glue on the edge there again and hold it in place with my handy clip. So I'm just going to get the size I want of the balloon to come around again. I'm going to take off my clip, add a little bit more glue, just a dab. And then I'm going to hold it in place again with my clip, just like that. See, I've got two circles so far. Bring it around again, a little bit larger than the last circle. Just like that. I'm going to take off my clip again, add a little bit more glue, just down here. And I'm just going to put it back together with my handy clips. Now, you can do them without handy clips, but it's just a lot harder. I just find these really useful because they hold everything together for me instead of using my fingers. And again, that part there, bring it around and just hold it in place, and that's my balloon. So as soon as that dries, I'm going to cut off the edge there and I'm going to do the rest of the balloons as well. Okay, so now that's dry, I'm just going to cut off the edge just like that. So we need 4 balloons all up. So I'm just going to roll these and I'll come back. Okay, so I've got my 4 balloons ready. So I'm going to put them aside because I'm not going to stick them on just yet. I need to get the card ready, so I need my craft mat. Now I'm using glitter cardstock. So I cut a piece and I'm just going to cut a border out. Now to cut my border, I like to use my ruler and craft knife. You don't have to use a ruler if you're confident to cut this freehand, but I'm not. I'd rather just go in with a ruler. Doesn't take long at all. I'm loving the glitter cardstock. It just makes the card pop. We've got lots of different colors available. So you can go with a pink, a purple, a blue. But I just thought I'd go neutral today and use a gold color. And one more side. And just down here. Let's pop that out. There. And there we have it. So there is my border, and all I'm going to do is glue this to my card face. And all I'm using is my clear gel tacky glue. Just around the edges, get in the corners. Okay. I'm going to turn that over. Okay, I'm just going to move this aside so I can get some other bits and pieces ready. Now I'm going to do some die cutting. I've got my happy birthday and I want that little bow there. So I'm going to use my black glitter cardstock for that to give it a pop. So let's get this ready. I need my birthday. I want that part, so I'm just going to cut that part out. And I also just need that little bow there. So I'm only going to cut enough for my bow so I don't waste my glitter cardstock, just like that. Let's move that aside. My magnetic board. Just cover that over. My C plate. Let's get the embossing machine down and let's run it through. Just like that. Let's bring the card back out and everything we need to glue on it. Okay, first things first, to glue these down, I don't want to use glue on the card and make it messy. So I like to put a bit of glue on a piece of cardstock like that. I'm just going to maneuver it around, right? And then grab my first balloon, pop it inside and scrape it on the bottom. So there's a bit of glue like that. And I'm just going to stick it to the top. And the same with my next balloon. Just stick it down like that. And my red one, just up there, bit more glue, maneuver it around. My green balloon, just like so. Now I'm just going to go in with a ruler. You can freehand this, of course, but I like to use a ruler for this so I can get it nice and straight, the strings of the balloon. So I'm just drawing the strings. One on the red balloon, just like that. Now I'm going to go in with the bow. To hold the balloons together, just gorgeous. Happy birthday. I'm also going to drag that through the glue, because I don't need a lot. I just need enough to hold it in place. There we go. Happy. And then the birthday, just drag it across the glue like that. And just like that. Now you can customize these. If this is a birthday card for someone that loves pinks, you can use all different shades of pinks or purples, whatever their favorite colors are. You can change the glitter cardstock to other colors that we have. It is endless, the possibilities. So that is my happy birthday card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you give it a go. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here next week. Bye.